Okay, we will go to Samgyeopsal.
Actually used to,
Alright, we are here inside the Samgyeopsal party.
probably
My hair too. Yeah, and I know my boyfriend will feed me a lot now.
opposite. You always feed me too much. So all Phoebe wants to do is eat.
That's love, honey.
That's Phoebe.
Love is feeding you a lot.
Yeah. See? So you admit it. You take two. I did two.
What did you order?
I did the bacon.
Spicy beef?
And then the spicy beef, yeah.
Okay. Huh?
Absolutely.
No, you have to enjoy.
At least I'm hungrier than I was last time.
Wow, unlimited Samgyeopsal party for only 400 pesos only. With an egg here, design. My boyfriend enjoy it. Hurot, simot, sarap, paig, ulang kuan. Paig ang lolo, kaarang ka na, hurot. Hurot ni boyfriend. Grabe, sarap talaga. Sarap yung sangyup nila. Wala ko masabi. Super sarap. Grabe, yung sarap talaga sa Samgyeopsal. Super delicious. Right, honey? We're going back now.
Hurry.